Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys we'll show you how to remove and replace the exhaust Vvt Solenoid on Hyundai Elantra guys. Yeah, as you know, that could be a really problematic issue on those things. It controls quite a bit of things and we have more than 200 videos taking this car apart. The whole car will be taken apart. So if you need anything, most likely it will be on the channel guys, so please subscribe. Also, just a quick update, we started a brand new channel called Electrical Car Repair Live. You'll be able to find more videos posted there in the future as well for that car, that relate about that car and fixing electric components, engine codes and airbag codes. Please subscribe as well. So once you remove the engine cover, okay, you pull it out. It has 4 rubber bushings. You just pull it straight out. Ours is, we got it loose so we don't waste your time just seeing how we pull it straight up. And now let me explain now quick. This is your intake. Okay, the exhaust is on the back side. Okay, check it out. So the intake Vvt Solenoid is right here, but the exhaust one will be on the opposite side. It will be right here. And this one, okay, you have to first disconnect the wire. Okay, and we'll show you in a second. Okay, let me disconnect it and show you how you do that. This piece needs to go up and pull it out. It's the same on this solenoid, so I'll demonstrate here so you can see, because in the back it's hidden. Pull up and disconnect the wire. Okay, like that. Now we'll need a 10mm socket, and there is one bolt that holds the solenoid towards the back. Okay, I'm trying to get a good view here. Okay, we got it loose, now it's gonna go by hand. The bolt is like the one on the front one here. You can see that's the front intake solenoid. This is the exhaust solenoid. Okay, we remove the bolt out now. Next, you firmly grab it, okay, by hand, and if it's stuck, you might need to move it a little bit, and it will come off. Okay, it will come out of there. And this is, guys, okay, the solenoid. Now, do not get it dirty if you don't know for sure that it's bad, because we'll have a video guys how to test those. Make sure you check it out on the channel. We'll post the videos and you'll know if you need to buy one or you don't need to waste your money. So you're going to get the new solenoid if you're replacing it. You need to apply some oil. You can pull some from the dipstick on the O-ring, because if the O-ring is new it will be dry and it will not go in, and you can risk damaging the O-ring when you push it in. Now the solenoid goes only one way, okay, like that, in the back side. Make sure you do not contaminate or put anything dirty in the hole, because even if you replace it and it's a dirty hole inside, you'll get a coat, because the solenoid might stick. Okay, push it in all the way, install the bolt. Okay, let me grab the light out of here so I can show you a little bit better. Okay, that's where the bolt is. Now get it tight. And don't forget to plug the wire. So that's how you guys remove the exhaust Vvt solenoid. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.